G'day, let's have a look at this Milwaukee Folding Jab and Utility Saw. Now the biggest feature of this is it's got this fold design, so obviously you can fold the blade away, but it'll take any reciprocating saw blade. So I just have the SAWZALL set here from Milwaukee, and this is just a metal 6-inch blade in there that seems to fold really nicely into the handle and then just get stored away there really nice. So obviously it folding takes up a lot less room, but also it'll protect the teeth and keep the blade sharp, but also prevent from cutting anything accidentally. So if you grab this fold that slide it into your tool bag, nothing really is gonna happen for that blade to cut anything. So this will just stay locked until you press this button up the top here, and then you can grab the blade and just pull it out, and then it locks in place so it stays nice and sturdy in there. Now the other really good feature about this is the tool-free blade change. So this button here, or this almost little slider, you push that forward, it'll release the blade, and that just comes out really easy. So if you've got a set of other blades, really whatever you want, even a big axe blade, you can just slide that in, push that forward, click it in. You can see that clicks in really nice and easy, and it's very secure in there. The only thing is obviously these really big blades, it's just not going to get tucked into the handle completely, so you can end up cutting other things there. But likewise with that, if you've got a very small or very thin blade that actually goes in there, you fold it in and that just completely recesses into the handle. So it can be a little bit difficult to get out, but you just give it a little bit of a shake and then it does slide out because there isn't all that much friction holding it together. And then again, you slide that out, lock it, and you've got a completely different saw effectively. Let's chuck another big blade in. So with some of these thicker blades here, as well as you do fold that, it doesn't completely fold into the handle. The way that handle just tapers off here, this will end up sticking out a little bit. So if you are putting this into a case, it might get snagged in there, although it does stay locked in place. So you do have to push that button to release it. But if you do put a lot of force on this, it will rip that mechanism in there. So really nice handle. Really nice saw. That mechanism is awesome, especially that they went with a toolless change, because you really don't want to be having to unscrew that each time with an actual screw or something like that holding it together. So that's good to see. And as far as the stability of this is, that handle is quite strong for small jobs. If you put a lot of pressure on the end here, the whole thing will bend a little bit and the mechanism there probably will break. But just for quick use of little bits and pieces, this will be fine. There you go. So you can see, I mean, these are really thick teeth, so it is hard to start it, but doesn't have much of an issue cutting, and it does hold on very solidly in there. So if I just put a smaller tooth one on, that'll just be a lot easier. More for drywall or plastics and bits like that, you wouldn't want to be cutting big 2x4s with it, but that's again not what it's for. So there we go, just a quick overview and quick short review of this Milwaukee Folding Jab Saw. So thanks very much for watching. There's links down below if you do want to check this out, the tool or these sets of blades. Have a look down there. Thanks.